Patriots. Today's 7th of March, 2019. You guys probably heard that one. I've been sick since Thursday. Thursday, I made 2 videos, I believe. I went live either Thursday or Wednesday. Besides my father being having a sickness, he still needs to see specialist. Making long story short, I went to bed Thursday feeling great, normal. I don't want this video to be too long, but the moral or the reason for this video is I want to know, just like how I did last week. Guys, I never get sick. Never. This was the sickest I've ever been in my life. Since Thursday. Today's Sunday. Today's my first day that I could actually stand up. Again, I went to bed Thursday fine. No symptoms at all. An hour later, all hell broke loose. And then I had 104 temperature. Like I said, this is my first day on my feet since Thursday. Since Thursday night. And today's Sunday. Again, I don't want this to be too long, only a couple minutes long. But if anyone else out there is either in the States or outside the States who've gotten sick instantly, like me, again, guys, in 1 hour, these symptoms occurred. They're like flu-like symptoms, but on steroids. So, and the crazy part is, folks, before my last video was about my father, because I said I was going to have to take him to the specialist, and hopefully I will not be gone for too long. And either that video, guys, again, I can't remember exactly, or the video prior to that, I know it was Thursday. And that's when I asked if anybody else was sick, because there's a lot of weird stuff going around. A lot of people are having issues with their lungs, and they're not smokers. But for being, this is the sickest I've ever been. With typically it creeps up on you, at least whenever I'm sick. I'm talking about like a runny nose or something. Everybody gets that, but I was 140. My temperature was 104 degrees. So at least I'm able to walk today. Let me know in the comment section, guys, and hope everyone's doing well. And I still feel like crap, but at least I'm up. Alright, folks, Patriots, thank you so much. And I'm really interested, because I spoke about this last week, and now I'm one of the victims. So send me some positive energy. Alright, Patriots, thank you. Hey guys, so my last video was March 6th. I went live. It was Wednesday night, and I believe the title was Prayers for my father. Make a long story short, folks, the next day I woke up. I've been the sickest I've ever been in my life. I've had a 104 fever. Thank God that has passed a few days ago. But something is going on. obviously. I found this article. Virgin Atlantic flight quarantine. All passengers and crew placed in isolation after landing at London Gatwick. This was last Thursday, folks. I've been so sick I haven't been on the internet since I went live, guys. Today's the first day. Passengers on a charter Virgin Atlantic flight were quarantined after dozens were struck down with sickness while on board. So, people may be asking what type of sickness. The illness was not immediately diagnosed, although those on the flight reportedly came down with hacking coughs and sore throats. So, respiratory infection. And that's what I have, folks. Again, I've never been this sick in my life, guys. Feels like I got hit with a freight train. And I don't know, just a lot of people are getting sick. How about take a look at the college in Philadelphia? They have a measles outbreak, and if they were not on spring break, they would have to declare a national emergency and shut the school down. I mean, I thought diseases like this were eradicated. I'm sure, I don't know, folks. There's just a lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff going on. Again, this article is from 5 days ago. First day up on my feet, guys.